Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use the GTA filter on TikTok. Okay, first things first, you want to go ahead and tap on TikTok. Next is, tap on search here at the top right and search for GTA filter. Now in the search results, you are looking for the GTA filter. Then, what you want to do is to press any of the effects and record your video. Once you have chosen the effect, the trending sound will be selected as well. So once you are ready, go ahead and tap that red record button. Now, you can see your GTA persona. Once you are satisfied with your video, stop recording. And now you can go ahead and press the tick. Now, you have created your GTA filter video on TikTok. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now use the GTA filter on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.